Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Hasnan, your young English language instructor, once again with all of you people today with another ta-da! It's a thought of the day today with us. And after a long time, honestly, because of lots of media work, lots of just a round applause for me because of the hard work that I had gone through. But jokes aside, no round of applause for me because it's my job. It's my job to do all the things, manage everything and then make videos for you guys. So sorry if I had spent a lot of time because I had exams, then I had many different projects. Exactly the vlogs of my educare that will be coming up, you guys will be seeing those too. So make sure to check them out. That will be some of my recent work that you guys can check out on my channel. Okay, jokes aside, all of those things set to the side. Now let's talk about one and only, the thought of today. We all have maybe read one poem when we were in, I believe, 4th, 5th or 6th class. I don't remember which class exactly because it's been quite a bit of time. But एक poem हम लोगों ने read की थी, Little Things Matter. It was a poem by a certain author who talked about how little things matter, how the little drops or the little grains of sand make a big sand or make a sandstorm or make a desert, how the little drops of water create an ocean, create a sea, how all of these things, how a bit of rain can create a whole thunder. All of these things were discussed by the author, and he said that our little deeds will be the cause of us going into hell or heaven. And all of these things matter. The little things, they matter. And that's what the author talked about. And that's the same that goes for today. I know as a person that's a young individual and an optimistic one and a person that is ambitious at that, I'd always been saying to myself that inshallah there will be a big opportunity on my hand and I'll be able to do something majestic, something big, something revolutionary, and I'll have a big opportunity on my hand. The point is, there is no big opportunity. I'd always been ambitious about having to go through a big thing or doing a big opportunity. But the point was that opportunity never came to me. I always thought कि मैं किसी बड़े platform पर directly काम करना शुरू करूँगा, but that never happened. What happened was slow gradual movements. I thought कि ये एक छोटा step है, इससे क्या फ़ायदा होगा. But as being the person that I am, I was never giving up. I was optimistic about everything. तो मैंने क्या किया, छोटे छोटे steps से मैंने शुरुआत की. I continued to move forth and forth and forth. And so I started to work on YouTube, started to work on Facebook, where I built such an amazing community with me, such an amazing family that learns from me and loves to listen to me. And then after that, what happened in simple language was I got into some other work, some of my professional work. I did lots and lots of jobs. Now I'm currently working with educare as the young ambassador, and it was just an amazing journey. And so today's thought of the day is that as when you throw a pebble, do you guys know what a pebble is? Chota sa pattar. When we throw a pebble into the water, into the lake, into the river, it creates ripples. वो पेबल जब हम थ्रो करते हैं उससे रिपल्स बनती है, वो रिपल्स बढ़ती जाती हैं. It turns into a big ripple then. And what happens is this shows us the effect of the butterfly effect. As we all know, the butterfly effect is that if for example कराची के अंदर एक butterfly fly करती है, तो for example मुल्तान या सिंध के अंदर कहीं there will be some sort of tornado because of that certain बटरफ्लाई फ्लाइंग. तो वो जो छोटा एक्ट है उस बटरफ्लाई का, उससे एक टॉर्नेडो बनता है. ये दिस इज नॉट साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन बट इट्स अ थ्योरी, और थ्योरी दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ साइकोलॉजिकल थिंग. तो ये जो हम पेबल थ्रो करते हैं और इससे ये जो छोटे रिपल्स होते हैं, ये जो जब बड़े एक इफेक्ट और बड़ा एक रिपल बनता है, ये जो हमारा एक एक्शन था वो था पेबल को थ्रो करना. छोटी सी बात है, बड़ी बात नहीं है, बट वो जो इफेक्ट था उसके वो बड़े बड़े रिपल्स, वो एक बड़ा इफेक्ट है. इससे हमें क्या सीखने को मिलता है? दैट इवन if our actions are small, if our opportunities that we avail are small, if our actions don't have much meaning, still it can create a big effect. So it means never give up. There is so much more in the world, and continue to avail all the opportunities to yourself. That's all for today. Thanks so much, and Allah Hafiz.